So hello guys, welcome back to the Cadence OrCAD v22 capture tutorial playlist series. So I would like to inform you this is the Cadence and Allegro capture software playlist series. So in this series we are going to learn from scratch level to scratch level to product level how we can develop our the product schematic, footprint, layout, library, custom library creation. One by one we will learn everything about the soft in the software. So let's get started. So before that I would like to inform you, before that I have created that few of the lectures, so please watch out that playlist. In the previous video lecture, that was the lecture 2 video, there I explained the library, custom library creation. And for this video also I am going to teach you the how to create your custom library creation. In this series, in this lecture I would teach you how to create a custom library. So there are three library I'm going to create in this series, in this video. So first will be the IP5306. This is a power bank IC module, and one more is there. This is a CS340K. This is over the our USB. There we are using with the USB. And one more is this is the LM2596 voltage regulator. Also we are going to learn. We are going to create. So before that, first we have to open the Cadence capture software. This is the below side you can see this is the capture CIS 2022 capture software. If you don't have watch out the previous video lecture for the installation of this video, so please watch out the previous video. I will mention at the top side of the I click button. Through this one you can see how to download the software for this one. This is a totally free. There is no extra charges. You don't no need to pay anything. So first we have to open the software. Then it will take some time. We have to wait some time. So the once your software will open, what you have to do? You have to click on this next new project, and you have to give the directory for this one. The one of the lecture 3 one directory I am giving here. I want to save, and project name will be the lecture 3. Click on OK. So this is our project working area where we have to design the schematic, but we are not going to design the schematic in this video. What we have to do, we are going to create the library. So after creating our project, once you will enter and you will select the directory of your project, then you have to click on the file for the library creation. Click on new in the library. After that you have to give the existing path, this one only. Click on OK. Now you can see here this downside, one olive has been created. You have to click on right click, then new part. You have to give a part of this one. So IP 5306, this is our the part number that we are going to make here. So now your working area has been opened. So what you have to do, you have to maximize this one area. So you can see by scrolling the wheel on the mouse and the control button, you can manage this maximize minimize by this one. So first we will read the data sheet of the component. So here are the 8 pins are there in this IC. What are there? One is the VCC, LED1, LED2, 3 key button and battery, and this SW button. SW is that the DTDC switch node connection inductor, and 8 pin is the V out. So this 8 pins we have to create. So what you have to do, you have to go again here. So like this, 1 2 3 4. Okay, you have to go here, the pin place. First pin number will be the 1, and first pin our v in. We will copy from here the pin name v in, and we will paste it here v in. Then click on OK. Place here, click 1 1, again 2 3 4. After this one, then again you have to rotate like this. V4 is the 5 6 7 8. Now escape button you have to press. After that, like now all pins are same. We have to change the pin number on pin name. We have to change. So changing the pin name, what you have to do, we have to go to the edit pins. Now this another window will open. You have to maximize this area. Now the pin number first is correct one. This is a pin number 1 only. Now second pin is our LED2, LED1. We will put here LED1 like this. We will LED1 2 3 and the 4. We will edit this one. Now pin number 6 is ours, BAT. These are the 8 pins are there. And one more thing guys, here they have mentioned like power pad. So below the IC, one of the copper, like one of the pad will be there for the to dissipate the heat. So it is not a compulsory in the this library footprint in the library creation, because it is just for the representation where we are connecting, in the which wire we are connecting to which pins. So it is dedicated for that one. But if we are designing the footprint of the physical component and the silk screen, this thing we are going to design for the physical view, so there it is compulsory to create this one power pad. So here it is no need, so I am ignoring this one. So like this, you have to take all the pins name, then you have to paste it here, and click on apply button, then OK. So now you can see here, we will be able to see all pins are visible here, but it is like a garbage. It is mixing everything. So while click on this one, we can maximize this one. Again we can maximize, then it will look clear. Now you can see like it is looking clearly which pin is goes to be where. Okay, so now we have to provide the underline for this one. So what you have to do, you have to click on this bottom side. You have to take this one, the line. For making a boundary, you have to click on this one. Once this gray icon will come, full circle wise the gray icon will come, that means our cursor is located on the grid. So click on once, scroll, click again, then again we have to click on this one. Like this we have to make. So once it one clear, then click on again escape button. So you can see here like it is looking good here. So what you have to do now, you have to save this one. Click on save. So if you want to see the library where it is saved, so what you have to do, you have to go in our schematic page only. You have to click on this one, place part. Here you have to type, first we have to add here this that one library also. Click on this add on library and go to your path where you have saved the library. That means your project file. Here I have saved. This is a library one. Open this one, this IP53, click on enter. Like you can see here, our library has been created.